Alright, I'm going to go over the HTML styles and code real quick. So basically, the first thing is the logo, and the logo is pretty easy. If I'm just gonna pop open the index.html file and show you how it's set up. So if we scroll down, we have our logo up here, and all it is a logo.png file that sits up there, and there's no width or height designated. It can be whatever you set it. Obviously, if it's too tall or too wide, you'll run into problems. But in general, you have some leeway as far as that goes. The header will resize itself to fit your logo. And in our miscellaneous folder under Photoshop files and templates, we include a logo.psd file for you. Right here. So if you wanted to use the same exact size or see how we created our logo, you can just open that up and check it out. And from there, all you need to do is upload or save the image in your image folder as logo.png, and you've replaced the logo. It's very simple. So the next thing we kind of touched on is, so when you hover over contact and we're on the contact page, it shows as it's already selected with the arrow and a little blue box. To get that is very simple. I'll open up the contact.html page and show you. So if we scroll to the top where the navigation is, we'll notice under contact, all we did was add a list item of current menu item. And you can just open up the files and kind of see how that, the code for that, and just paste it. So let's say we wanted to change it to, we're on the blog page instead. See how if I refresh the page now, it shows the blog page is selected. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that back, since we actually are on the contact page. So that is how we change the menu that's selected. Let's move on to all the other few things on the styles page. So if we go to our styles page, I just recommend opening it up and just checking out the code. It's all very simple. So the list styles are just general list items, and these two ones at the top just have a class. So the first one's class is checkbox, and then the next one I think is arrow list, and you can just see those list items. Then our button is super easy to put together. It's just a class of button, and then your regular link, slider, the same sliders used on the home page and all over the site. So we'll touch on this in the featured slider area. And then tabs as well. I just really recommend digging in and looking at this styles.html page. Pretty much everything's just entered with a simple class, and that'll get you through everything right there. Okay, we'll move on. I'll hit the portfolio hover icons on a second video.